Can you bring the box also so we could explain it? You have a controller? A sex controller, yeah. Miguel, we have here. Miguel, come. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. So, we just received our new shipment for the Vista. The Vista DJ booth. Just look at this logo. The logo is gorgeous. So, Vista comes in both color, white and black. And either color comes with the two color of Scrims, either white or black Scrims. It's just like, you know, it's a very fancy, chic, high quality bag. Just look at the quality, man. This is just a bag. It's a ProX bag, man. It's a beautiful bag. So either you could put it on your shoulder or carry it in like that. So the MK2 version that we just received, it comes with the top shelf, so you could have the controller down here, and you could put either your laptop, either your business card, or anything that you want over here. Just one thing I want to tell you about the color of the finishing color. So we use different anodizing, different paint color over here. That the paint it stick to the to the steel much better than all the styles that we used to paint. So this is much better quality of the paint. We improved it a lot. Then which controller is this? And this one is the SD2. So look at this. Check this out. Compact, small. You have an XDJ XZ too? Yeah, let's put the XDJ XZ so they could see it fits. That's beautiful, man. So this item is available from your dealers. Let me show. Let's open the bag and let's take a look inside too. So this is the white Scrims. So the quality of the Scrims is spandex as well. Oh, the Scrims comes with the bag as well. Look at this. So everything is organized. Each color of the Scrims comes in one bag by itself. So one bag for white, one bag for the black color. Let's take a look at it. This is Vista MK2. And we have Miguel here. Good morning, Mr. Miguel.
Hey, how you doing, guys?
How you doing? How you doing? So XJ as you know, it's a little bit bigger. So you could see it. If you don't want to use the top shelf, you could remove it. So you have enough space to use for any controller. XDJ-XZ, DDJ-1000, Rain 1. Everything is good enough for this small and compact DJ booth. Nice. Nice. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching, and I appreciate for all the support all these years. Have a wonderful weekend, enjoy the Friday, and I hope you guys gonna be busy with all the shows and parties that you're gonna go to. Thank you again and have a good weekend. Happy Friday everyone.